Hello guys, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you trying to print something on your HP NV4500 and nothing comes out? Like no pages, no error, just silence? I know it's super annoying. But don't worry, this happens to a lot of HP NV users. In most cases, it's just a small issue. Maybe the printer is offline, the driver needs a quick update, or the ink system needs a reset. In this video, I'll walk you through easy solutions to get your HP NV4500 printing again. So let's begin with the first method. Method 1. Reset your printer. While your printer is on, press the Home button. Then press the Selection button twice to get Support menu, and then press OK. Now, with the help of the arrow button, select the Resets menu and then select OK. After that, you should choose the semi-full reset option and your printer will turn off. In the meantime, you need to remove the printer's power plug and attach it after 10 to 20 seconds. Next, press the power button to turn on your printer and you're done. Method 2. Check for the paper jam. First, press the printer's power button to turn it off. Then, take out all the papers from the output tray. When the printer's power is off, pull out the document feeder all the way and then look at its bottom. It will look the same as what you see on your screen. Now, take clean paper or a cloth to clean the print roller. Once that's done, push the document feeder tray in and turn the printer back to its initial position. Now, using both hands, carefully open the top lid of the printer. Then use your fingers to press the case and remove it. Now, you should carefully look inside to find any debris or torn pieces. If you don't find anything, then put the case back in and close the top lid, and that's it. You can check if your printer is still showing the same problem. If the earlier methods do not help in fixing the issue, then you need to ensure the carriage is moving freely. Follow the given instructions here to do that. Method 3. Make sure the print carriage is moving freely. First, remove the power and USB cables from the printer and ensure the printer is on. Then use the space at the printer's side to open the carriage access door. If you find any jammed papers, remove them gently. Use your phone's flashlight or any source of light to carefully inspect the inside of the carriage area. Now, move the carriage unit left and right to ensure that it is moving smoothly. After that, print a test page to check if your printer is printing correctly. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.